Good morning, baby. How did you sleep? Not too cold? Good, good. Come here a little closer. I need my morning cuddles. That's better. Don't you agree? No, it's still going, but it's a little calmer. So let's hope it will die down completely. I really want to continue our drive as soon as possible. I know, baby, but I'm just scared that something might happen. I mean, I trust my driving skills, and I have driven in bad weather before. It's just... I just don't want anything bad to happen to you, love. Yes, and to me too, of course. Do you have any idea of what you would like to do while we wait? We should probably eat something too. We picked some food yesterday, right? Okay, I'll go grab our bags from the car and take a look, and hopefully make something edible out of the stuff we've got. Sounds good? I'll be right back. Jesus, it's so foggy and windy. We're definitely not going to drive anywhere yet. It's way too risky. Let's see. Ah, there they are. I hope we've got something that I can actually cook or heat up for us at the very least. I don't remember what we packed at all. God, I wish for the storm to die down soon. It's so freaking cold out there. True. But here, let's go through what we did pack. Oh, we've got bread and peanut butter, some candies, and other snacks. So I could make us peanut butter sandwiches. How's that? And maybe hot cocoa, since we have chocolates as well. I'll have to use water though. Is that okay? Great. Now, let's see if there's a fireplace-safe kettle around here somewhere for me to actually be able to make it. Aha! Found you. You can wait at the table with the chocolate and the water. I'll get some more wood for the fireplace. We're gonna need to get the flames really going for this to work. What was that? Nah, you can just relax and cozy up right there. Thanks though. Yes, honey. I'm sure I wanna do this. You make breakfast for us every morning. It's my turn now. Different setting though, but still. Are you sure the water's fine? We can add the cocoa then. Or I can make some other warm drink if that's what you prefer. Alright then, if you are sure. Alright, let's get this into the kettle. And then over the fireplace to heat it up. Then we cut the chocolate. We add some of the water in a third cup. And in goes the chocolate, which needs to be added while stirring gently. Finally, we add the rest of the hot water to the mix. What? You don't like me narrating the steps like Gordon does? Fair. He's got the accent. Well, how about I hum then? How dare you mock my humming skills? I know, sweets. It's okay. How about you listen to the crackling by the fireplace then, while I'll finish up on the breakfast? Deal. How are you feeling? That's good? And it seems that the storm has died down too, so I think we should definitely hit the road. Yeah, we should pack all of our stuff first. Good thing I cleaned up after we ate. Let's go, sweetie. Let's hit the road. Seatbelt, honey. Hey, honey? How are you feeling about yesterday? It doesn't bother you anymore, right? I'm still really sorry about what I said. Are you sure? Yeah, it has been bothering me. I never wanna hurt you or snap at you. I just feel bad. I know we made up and all, I just feel bad for lashing out like that. I know how hard breakup can be, especially if you've been cheated on. And all my friends were there for me, including you. And here I am lashing out because you do the same for someone else. And for what? Because I was frustrated and scared. But that's not an excuse. Maybe you're right. Maybe I'm overthinking things, and we are all right now. But again, I didn't mean it. If she needs you, then it's more than okay that you are there for her. Even if we made some plans, which changed because of that. Oh, it's Mom. You wanna answer it and put it on a speaker? Hey, Mom! Yes, we are on our way right now. Is everything ready? Need any help? Alright, see you soon then. Yeah. We love you too. Bye for now. Yes, of course you can. You don't need to ask. You can choose that too. But if I may suggest something, how about Christmas music? To set the mood and all. But only if it's okay and you want it too. Great. You wanna press the doorbell? No reason. Just thought that you might wanna do it. Hey, Mom. Thank you. Mm-hmm. It looks so cozy with the tree and the lights. Where's Dad? Alright. How are things with you guys? You sure you don't need any help with setting things up? Or last minute touches or something? No! We don't need to look at my childhood pictures, Mom. No, you have seen them so many times already. We can do something else if Mom really doesn't need any help. How about watching some Christmas shows? I know we do it every year, but that's like the whole point. Grinch? Right. Because, baby, I know you all too well. I'll put it on. There we go. You wanna get closer to cuddle up? Mm-hmm. Better. Sure, Mom. Go ahead, baby. I'll join you in a second. Hey, Dad? Food's ready. No, it's alright. Is everything okay? Agreed. I can hear Mom getting impatient already. Alright, here we are. It smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. Yeah, of course. I was scared too, thinking we won't be making it. But I'm glad that's not the case. Merry Christmas. Here's your plate, babe. It was a delicious meal as always. Just the same this year too. The whole family couldn't make it. Also, Mom, thank you for letting us use the cottage yesterday. It was scary, yes. But we made it. Yeah, me too. Dad, I told you guys we don't need anything. Yeah, no shit. You wanna unwrap it, babe? Holy Thanks, guys! What do you even mean? It's a painting of both of us. And this watch? This brand could not have been cheap at all. Well, Thanks. We'll love it. Right, babe? Yeah. Whatever. Here. Yes, sir. It's a radio player for your workshop. Or wherever you wanna use it, really. I remember you eyeing this one when we last saw each other, and the both of us chipped in to get this for you. You don't have to say anything. We know. And this one's for you, Mom. She wanted to give you some jewelry. I don't know much about it or what you like. And the books are from me since you love reading so much. The photo album is for new memories and new pictures, for you to have a place to store them. You're welcome. I need to use the bathroom. I'll be back in a jiff. Alright, I think it's time. Deep breaths. Why am I so nervous? It's not like I'm asking the absolute love of my life to marry me and spend the rest of her life with me. Maybe I should have talked this over with Dad beforehand. Hell, he proposed to Mom after all. Nah, no backing down anymore. This is it. Just get out of there and do it. Yeah, that will have to do. Deep breath. One more time. Hey, I'm back and could I get everyone's attention, please? Everything is okay. I just... Babe, yesterday made me realize something. Even in a storm, even when things don't go as planned, there's no one else I'd rather be with. You're my home and my safe space. I have been the happiest that I've been for the longest of times since we got together. You've always been there for me, in my most vulnerable moments ever. Whenever I was stressed, even when I broke up with my ex, you proved you were there for me, before everyone else. We've had our ups and downs, but I truly love you, and I hope you know that. And now that everyone that I love and hold close to my heart is here, with us, I'm gonna go down on one knee and open this box and have one more question for you. Babe, sweetheart, love of my life, would you marry me? Honey, are you Is that yes then? Give me your hand. There, come here. I love you too. Yeah, I was planning on this since the beginning. The storm almost ruined this moment. Don't worry about it. You deserve it. At the best. Thanks, Mom. Desserts sound heavenly. Thanks, Dad. And babe, I can't wait to start this new chapter of our lives with you. Merry Christmas.